Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. India's COVID-19 tally zone passed 35 lakh just a week after it crossed the 30 lakh mark with a record single-day spike of 78,761 cases, while recovery surged to 27 lakh 13,933 on Sunday, according to the Union Health Ministry data. The total coronavirus cases rose to 35 lakh 42,733, while the death toll climbed to 63,498, with 948 people succumbing to the disease in a span of 24 hours. The recovery rate has increased to 76.61%, while the COVID-19 case fatality rate has further declined to 1.79%. There are 7,65,302 active cases of coronavirus infection in the country, which comprises 21.60% of the total case load. India's COVID-19 case rose from 20 lakh to 30 lakh in 13 days and 10 lakh to 20 lakh in 21 days. It took 100 days for COVID-19 cases in the country to reach 1 lakh, while just 59 days more to go past the 10 lakh post. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highway Nitin Gadkari on Sunday inaugurated 3 important bridges and 2 road improvement projects in the Gadchiroli district of Maharashtra through video conferencing. The minister also laid foundation stones for 4 other major bridge projects across the river Wainganga, Bandia, Perikota and Perimili. These projects are considered crucial for improving mobility for socio-economic development of the Gadchiroli district. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Gadkari said, with the construction of these key bridges, the national highway connectivity in Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Telangana is complete now. This is a dream which has come true after nearly 25 years, when it was conceived when I was a minister in Maharashtra. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday said India has talent and ability to become a toy hub for the entire world and called upon startups to work towards realizing this potential while being vocal about local toys. He said, the global toy industry is over 7 lakh crore, but India's share is very small, as he stressed on the need to work to increase it. Modi called upon startup of entrepreneurs to team up for toys and said it is the time to get vocal for local toys. In his monthly Mann Ki Baat broadcast, the Prime Minister also said people have shown an unprecedented restraint and simplicity in their festivals during the COVID-19 pandemic. He also hailed farmers for increase in sowing areas for different grains. This is a time for festivals, but at the same time there is also a sense of discipline among people due to the COVID-19 situation. There is also a link between nature and other festivals, Modi said. He also asked young entrepreneurs to develop computer games in and also about India. In his address, Modi also noted that India will complete its 75 years of independence in 2022 and suggested a host of measures to teachers to help bring to light contribution of thousands and lakhs of unsung heroes of the freedom struggle. It is important that our youngsters are aware of them, he said. President Ram Nath Kovind greeted people on the eve of Onam and said, while celebrating festivals, care should be extended to people from the weaker section of the society and educate measures should be taken to protect and safeguard families and society at large. In the time of COVID-19 pandemic, while celebrating festivals, we must take care of the people from the weaker section of the society and take educate measures to protect and safeguard our families and society at large, Mr. Kovind said in his message. On the auspicious occasion of Onam, he extended congratulations to all fellow citizens, especially to brothers and sisters of Kerala. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is all set to intensify his attack on the Narendra Modi government for its what he called mishandling of the Indian economy with the launch of a video series on Monday on how the government has destroyed the economy. Watch my video series on how the Modi government has destroyed the Indian economy. First video tomorrow at 10 a.m. and all my social media channels, Rahul said in a post on the social media. Rahul posted on his Twitter account a trailer on his first video in the series that is titled Arthvyavastha Ki Baat Rahul Gandhi Ke Saath, Talk of Economy with Rahul Gandhi. In the trailer, Rahul Gandhi is heard as saying the BJP government has attacked the unorganized economy. I can give you 3 examples right now: demonetization, wrong GST and lockdown. Rahul has been constantly attacking the PM and the BJP government at the center on the mismanagement of the Indian economy. That is all for the today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.